माया कल्पितमातृता मुखमृषा द्वैत प्रपंचाश्रयः सत्य ज्ञान सुखात्मक श्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्ध विदूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पेज नंबर 465, fifth line. It is Swami Yogendranji's book, and in Swami Vishuddhanji's book, page 330, third line. So Pratyabhijna of Atma is a valid jnana, yathartha jnana. But Pratyabhijna of a ghata is a bhranti, it is a pratibhasa, and it is of two different ghata. This we saw. When one sarpa is seen in Rajju, one sarpa is seen by 10 people, they all think it is same, but it is not the same. It is different. Because everyone has their own anubhava, and one person's Brahma cannot be known by the other person. Nanu atra katham abheda Brahma. Here, if there is any abheda in the form of one person telling the other person, did you see the snake? He said, yes, I saw. It was like this, like that. And they all think they all have seen the same one. So how is this abheda bhranti taking place? And abheda requires sadrishya. Here there is no sadrishya. Because Chaitra seeing Sarpa in Rajju, Maitra seeing Sarpa in Rajju, where is sadrishya between these two? Tat karanasya sadrishyadehe kasyapi abhavat. The karana in the form of sadrishya between the illusions of two people. That sadrishya is not there, abhavat. How can you say there is abheda Brahma? Sadrishya can be there when one Chaitra sees Ghata and same Chaitra sees another Ghata of similar kind after some time. Then there is Sadrishya. Chaitra seeing something, Maitra seeing something else. Between them there is Sadrishya. Who will reconcile? Iti chedna swapna bheda brahmavat drishti srishti siddha sadrishyadi sambhavat. In swapna, is there a possibility of abheda Brahma? Yes.
Yes.
In swapna, there could be abheda, that, oh, I am seeing the same thing again. I am seeing the same thing again. but it is not the same. Just as there is Abheda Brahma, in Jagrat also there could be Abheda Brahma, irrespective of the nimittas required. Without nimitta also it can happen. We already saw Karya Karana Vichara in Drishti Srishti Vada is not necessarily present. Drishti Srishti Siddha Sadrishyadi Sambhavat. Drishti Srishti Siddha Sadrishya is possible. न च एवं अभेद एव उत्पद्यताम इति वाच्यम्. इष्टापत्य. This is a beautiful thing. According to Vedanta, when Rajju is seen as Sarpa, we say there is Anirvachaniya Sarpa Utpatti. So, let's say 10 people are there, 10 Anirvachaniya Sarpa Utpattis are there. This is what Siddhanti has explained. Between these 10 Anirvachaniya Sarpa, if there is Abheda or not. So he says, we can do Anirvachaniya Abheda Utpatti also. If every Anirvachaniya Vastu can exist in Utpatti. One more thing can be there. What is the problem? Abheda Anirvachaniya. Abheda eva Utpadyatam. Means Chaitra seeing a snake in Rajju, in rope. Maitra seeing a snake in rope. And both of them discussing, we saw the same snake. This notion is also another Bhranti. Just as Sarpa is Bhranti for both, there it is same Sarpa is another Bhranti, and every Bhranti is Anirvachaniya Utpatti possible. So Siddhanti says Ishtapatya. Rajju Sarpadivat Utpannasyeva Grahana Niyama. Just as Rajju Sarpa is there, it is Utpanna. Utpanna here means Srishti. Drishti Srishti. So Abheda is also Drishti Srishti. Whatever is Utpanna, Tasya Grahanam, its Jnanam comes then. Means first you project, then you say, oh, I know now. It is your mental projection. People think, I think it is like this, it is like that. And you only are projecting everything, all Bhranti. Nacha kvachid utpadyate kvachinna ityatra niyamaka bhava. Purvapakshi says, but sometimes, let's say 10 people, they saw the snake and they all rushed into the same room and they sat down and they are discussing. Oh, you saw the snake? Yes, I also saw. Okay. So between them, you say, Abheda is also there. Abheda Bhranti is Anirvachaniya accepted. Let's say some other time, they were in a playground and they saw a snake, Rajju Sarpa, and they all ran in a different direction. Now they are not talking, it is the same snake. So Abheda Anirvachaniya Abheda Utpatti is not there. It says Kvachid Utpadyate, Kvachid na Utpadyate. In that there is no Niyamaka. Who will decide? He says this is Maya. मायायाः विचित्र शक्तिकत्व अभ्युपगमात्. Maya has vichitra shakti. So sometimes something can be there, sometimes it may not be there. This is aghatita ghatana, patiyasi maya. Now, next objection. Purvapaksha says, न च सोयम देवदत्तः इति दृष्टान्तेन तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्ये जहदजहल लक्षणया ऐक्यपरत्व उक्ति अयोग इति वाच्य. Soyam Devadatta is an example for Tattvamas. In that example, and then in the Ashtanta also, Drishtanta, Ashtanta, both places, the Jahadajahal Lakshana is used. So, Aikya Paratva is there through Lakshana. But Soyam, this requires Pratyavijna. Saha Ayam. If there is no Pratyavijna possible in Drishti Srishtivada, you only Sadrishya, it is a Bhranti then how you can use Soyam Devadatta Drishtanta to prove Tattvamasi Mahavakya? Then you use Jahadajahal Lakshana, etc. So, Lakshanaya Aikya Paratva Ukti Ayoga iti nacha vachyam, Siddhanti says. Yadyapi धर्मवत् धर्मी अभेदोपि बाधित एव इति जहदजहल लक्षणापि न युज्यते. तथापि यदा धर्म अभेदो बाधात् न गृहीतः किन्तु धर्मी अभेद एव तदा सोयम इत्यादौ जहदजहल लक्षण असंभवेन जहदजहल लक्षण संभवेन दृष्टान्तत्व उपपत्तिः. धर्मवत् धर्मी. So dharma and dharmi. Devadatta, if you take, Devadatta is dharmi. Taddesha Tatkala Vishishta Devadatta is one dharmi. Etad Desha Etad Kala Vishishta Devadatta is another dharmi. And that Desha, Kala, Avastha, they all are dharma of that dharmi. I mean, there are two entities. Both entities have some attributes. Dharmavad dharmi bhedo, dharmi abhedo api padhita eva. So Purvapakshi said that dharmas are different, dharmi is also different. So abheda is badhita, yes. And therefore Jahadajahal Lakshana cannot be used. But still, tathapi. When dharma abhedo badhat na grihita, dharma abheda badha would happen, that is not grihita, na grihita. Kintu dharmi abheda eva. So dharma abheda didn't happen because there is badha, which is true. The dharma of Devadatta at that time and this time, they are different. So its grahanam is not happening. धर्म अभेदो बाधात न गृहीता, but dharmi abheda, that this is same, that is grihita. So in dharmi, abheda badha did not happen. So abheda is there, abheda grihita, and therefore at that time in drishtanta sthala also jaharaja lakshana sambhavena drishtantatva upapatti. And the same would hold true for Darshtanta also. न च अभेदस्यापि दृष्टिसृष्टित्वेन तज्ज्ञानस्य बाधकत्वायोगः अभेदस्य, अभेद between tatkala and etatkala etc. But it is drishti srishti only. Purvapakshi is saying even between that Devadatta and this Devadatta, if you think it is abheda, it is bhranti only. In the same way, between Jiva Chaitanya and Ishvara Chaitanya, if you say there is abheda, it is bhranti only, because it is drishti srishti only. अभेदस्यापि दृष्टि सृष्टित्वेन तद् ज्ञानस्य बाधकत्व अयोगः. So that jnanam which will do badha of bheda, abheda, jiva brahma abheda jnanam is supposed to do badha of jiva brahma bheda jnanam. But jiva brahma abheda jnanam is drishti srishti. Therefore, it is not capable of eliminating jiva brahma bheda jnanam. अभेदस्यापि दृष्टिसृष्टित्वेन तज्ज्ञानस्य बाधकत्व अयोगः इति न सिद्धांति says न च. Why? आत्मा अभेदस्य, आत्मा भेद means आत्मा अभेदस्य आत्मरूपत्वेन दृष्टिसृष्टित्व अभावात्. When something is abhinna from Atma, Atma Abheda is Atma Swarupa only. Once it is Atma Swarupa, it is not Drishti Srishti. It is Drishti Srishti to Abhavat. When I say Jiva means something else, Brahma means something else, that can be Drishti Srishti if it is understood as something else. If it is me, the illuminator of all projections, that is not Drishti Srishti. So, once the Abheda is understood, Purvapakshi says how that Abheda will do Bada of Bheda. That Abheda is not only between some random Jiva and Brahma, is me and Brahma. So now, there is no Bheda between me and Brahma. There is no more Drishti Srishti. This is one reasoning. And therefore, that Jnanam is capable of eliminating Bheda Jnanam. Second thing he says, if Abheda is Drishti Srishti, what about Bheda? Bheda is also Drishti Srishti only. If Abheda is Drishti Srishti, Bheda is also Drishti Srishti. If Bheda is Drishti Srishti, then Pratibhasika Bheda can be negated by Pratibhasika Abheda. It will work. He says, Anyuna Sattakatva Matrena Badakatva Upapatteshcha. This Anyuna Sattakatva point had come earlier. If both are Pratibhasika, if one is Vyavaharika, another is Pratibhasika, Vyavaharik can do Nisheda of Pratibhasika. In Drishti Srishtivada, everything is Pratibhasika. Only Brahma is Paramarthika. But between them, Anyuna Sattakatva is there. One Pratibhasika Abheda can do Bada of another Pratibhasika Bheda. So Madhya Badaka Bhava is possible. And really speaking, if Bhed is Drishti Srishti, that clearly shows there is no Bheda. Whatever is Drishti Srishti is unreal, is Mithya. So if I don't hear Mahavakya Jnanam also, let us. But if I know Jagat is Drishti Srishti, then Bhed between Jiva and Brahma is also Drishti Srishti. Means it is Mithya Bhed. So there is no real bandhana. There is some more discussion for that to be required, whether person who has understood that there is Drishti Srishtivada but has not done Mahavakya Vichara, will that person get liberation or not? But that is different. Now here there is another topic. न च साक्षात्कारस्यापि दृष्टिसृष्टित्वेन प्रमाणजन्यत्व अभावात् तत्वज्ञानत्व अभावेन ततो मुक्तिर्न स्यात् इति वाच्यम्. So साक्षात्कार is also दृष्टि सृष्टि. Let us say you get साक्षात्कार, it is also दृष्टि सृष्टि. If it is दृष्टि सृष्टि, it is not प्रमाणजन्य. It is भ्रांति. Okay. प्रमाणजन्यत्व अभावात् तत्वज्ञानत्व will not be there. That ज्ञानम is not तत्वज्ञानम. तो तत्वज्ञानत्व अभावेन तो मुक्तिर्न स्यात्. So then how there will be liberation? इति न च वाच्यम्. Means that jnanam, aham brahmasmi jnanam, the charama sakshatkara, is not pramanajanyam in drishti srishtivada. If it is not pramanajanyam, how there will be moksha? So Siddhanti has beautiful answer. He says, jnanam may not be pramanajanya. But what is the nature of that jnanam? Is it badhitam or abadhitam? Is it adhigatam or anadhigatam? I am Brahma. This knowledge, once it takes place, whether arising from pramana or no pramana. If prama is abadhita and prama is anadhigata. So abadhita, anadhigata, jnana vishayatvam will be there in that prama. Even if it is not pramanajanya, That jnanam is not contradictory. It's like they give example. In Swapna, some Mahatma or some Bhagavan, Ishta Devata comes and gives you Upadesha. You are Brahma in Swapna. And then you wake up. And what do you say? I understood I am Brahma. Now it is not anymore illusion. It is real jnanam. So, like that, in Swapna it is not pramana. The jnanam that I received in Swapna is not pramana-janya. But the prameya of it, that I am Brahma, is abadita. In Jagrat also it is abadita. Nobody can refute, cut it. So that much is enough. So Siddhanti here says the same thing. Purvapaksha says, Muktir na syat, Siddhanti says, iti na cha vacha. Abadita vishayatvena eva tattva jnanatva upapatte. What is tattva jnanam? We say that which is having abadita vishaya. That jnanam is tattva jnanam. So this jnanam has tasya cha drishti srishtitve api akshate. In drishti srishti also abadita vishayatva is there. There is no kshati. Akshate. Now Purvapakshi brings some quotations. He says, Dhruva Dyauhu, Dhruva Prithivi, Dhruva Saha Parvata, Ime Dhruvam Vishwamidam Jagat, Ityadi Shruti Virodaha. All these Shruti Virodaha will take place. Is Dhruva Saha. Dhruva Dyauhu, Swarga, Dhruva Prithivi. Dhruva Saha is Asuk Pratyaya. Ajasser Asuk. Seven 150. Dhruvaso Kira Yojana Saha. Is I don't know how many of you have heard. Vishnu Sukta, right?
It's Bhusuktam.
Bhusukta. Bhusukta. Oh. I have not studied Bhusukta.
Vishnu Suktam also.
Vishnu Sukta.
Yes.
Dhruvasaha Parvata. So Janasaha, Tira Yojanasaha, like that also. Prithvi Dhruvasaha Parvata. Dhruvasaha Parvata. Ime Dhruvam Vishwamidam Jagat. All this is Dhruvam. And you are saying everything is Drishti Srishti. Ityadi Shruti Virodha Syat. Siddhanti says, what is the meaning of the word Dhruva? Dhruva actual meaning is Nitya. How many Darshanikas will accept Swarga, Prithvi, Parvata, everything Nitya? Nobody accepts. It says Anityata Vadibihi is Nyaya Vaisheshika. They'll say if it is Karyam, Yat Kritakam Tadanityam. All this is Anitya only. So they will not take Dhruva means Nitya. ध्रुवा इत्यस्य अन्यथा नयने आवश्यके. They will interpret it in different way. Anyatha. So you see, we will also interpret differently. Drishti, Srishti, Pratipadaka, Shruti, Anurodhena. How we will interpret? Not on our own. We have Shruti, which says Neha Nanasti Kincha. There is no duality. Akalpam Santana Avicheda Paratvaseva Yuktatva. Until the Kalpa, same Santana, Santati, it is going on. Constant creation. Drishti, Srishti is there. Every time you see, there is creation. Anyatha, in the same mantra, there is Dhruva Raja. The mantra is like this. Dhruva Deur, Dhruva Prithvi, Dhruva Sa Parvata Ime, Dhruvam Vishwamidam Jagat, Dhruvo Raja Vishamayam. This is given in both commentaries. So the king is Dhruva. No king is eternal. Vishamayam, Vishampati, the ruler of all Praja. So we have to understand Dhruva means Parinami Nitya you take, means constantly changing, or long lasting, or until the end of the Kalpa, it is there, but it is created so many times. And therefore, Jnana Kala Matra Sthai. Only as long as Jnana is there, it is there. Drishti Srishtaucha Evameva Asmadatmanah Sarve Pranaha Sarve Lokaha Sarve Vedaha Sarvani Bhutani Sarva Ete Atmano Vicharanti Iti Shrute Suptothita Jivat Pranadi Srishtim Pratipadayanti Pramanam. This is Brahadaranyaka. This Shruti says, when a person wakes up, then from that Atma, all the Prana, Loka, Deva, Bhutani, everything arises. When he goes to sleep, everything goes to sleep. So every time he wakes up, there is creation. Every time you wake up, your room is created, light, fan, everything is created, everyone is created. You go to sleep, everybody is gone. This is the Drishti Srishti. Guru Bhaksha says, when everything is created, like prana, loka, everything, when he wakes up. But when he is sleeping, pranas are still there. He is breathing, he is alive. So how do you say, again pranas are created, pranas are already existing? So in the previous one, Shruti Suptothita Jivat Pranadi Srishtim Pratipadayanti Shrutihi Pramanam. Nacha Sushuptau Pranadi Prapanchasya Sattvat Kimartham Punah Srishti Riti Vachya. In Sushupti Pranadi Prapancha is there. Why there is again Srishti? Natu Tadvitiyam Asti Tato Anyad Vibhaktam Yat Pashet Ityadina Sushuptau Sakala Karya Prapancha Laya Shravana. In Sushupti, Sakala Karya Prapancha Laya is there. By the strength of the Shruti Vakya, Natu Tadvitiyam Asti. Other than that, there is nothing. Other than Chaitanya, nothing else is there. Tato Anyad Vibhaktam Pashya. Now Purvapaksha will say, okay, let's say Chaitra is sleeping. Chaitra is breathing. Who will know Chaitra is breathing? When Chaitra is in Sushupti. Huh?
Some other person than Chaitra.
So Maitra. Maitra sees Chaitra is breathing. So Chaitra is breathing, prana is there. So what will Siddhanti say? It is Maitra Srishti. It is not Chaitra Srishti. First of all, the other person is there. When you are asleep, how will you know? Nobody can prove when I am asleep, somebody else is still existing. And when I wake up, I will say it is my projection. And if you are sleeping and somebody else sees, it is his projection. Now there is discussion on this Itanama Nadi and Puritata Nadi. We'll see next time. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayana Sutra Bhashya Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vivagine Yomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti